Hello, Wales Cysylltiedig. It's Wales here again from Dempsey Youth Service. Hope you're all keeping well and keeping safe and enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having at the moment. I'm going to start the session quickly, the same way as we start every session, with some quick house rules. So we operate this platform in the same way as we'd operate any of our usual open access sessions or community-based sessions or whatever they be, with respect. So respecting each other, respecting each other's comments, no silly business in the comment, no bad language. And also staying safe. We're online here, so it's about staying safe. So don't give away too much of your personal information if that's possible. So no distinguishing information like your address, your postcode, your date of birth, even your second name. And if you want to mention another young person or anybody else in the session, can you please have that same level of respect for them as well, not to give away too much of their personal information. If you want to have those types of conversations of a more private nature, you can message us directly through our Facebook and WhatsApp and Twitter and email and all those lovely, wonderful things. And all that information can be found at DCC Youth Service. Just search it online and you'll find us. Right, we've got a very special show today, a very special session today. We have a guest. Let me just quickly say hello to Sarah, Gaz and Charlotte who have checked in. We have with us today Dylan from Viva.
I'm Dylan. I'm a youth worker with Viva. Viva is a charity that supports LGBTQ plus young people.
Ah, cool.
So our main office is in Rill, but we also cover, obviously Denbighshire, Wrexham, Conwy and Flintshire as well. Because I know sometimes Denbighshire's massive, so if you're in the bottom of Denbighshire, sometimes it's easy to go to Wrexham for some support from us.
Yeah.
So we do youth groups. So we do youth groups in Wrexham, Rill, Mould, and
Hey.
Obviously, that's when we're not in lockdown. So we're in lockdown at the minute. We're doing virtual sessions. So we're doing that twice a week. So we're doing Netflix parties. We're doing game nights. Sessions around LGBTQ history and icons.
Excellent.
We did Pride session last night.
Of course, because
we do have you heard of Dungeons and Dragons? We do Dungeons and Dragons sessions.
Oh, cool. Of course, is this Pride Month, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Pride Month in June. So we did a quiz the other week, and then we also last night we were doing about LGBTQ rights in the UK and learning about the history of that.
Brilliant. What age is the project open to, young people wise?
Yeah, so we support young people between 11 and 25.
Oh, cool. How do they access your service?
Yeah, so you can, as a young person, you can self-refer yourself. So you can go on either any of our social media or you can email us.
Yeah.
Say if you're in school and you speak and you talk to a teacher or something, sometimes a teacher or a support worker will refer to our kind of service.
Yeah.
And then from that we can do one-to-one chats.
Oh, okay.
And then we do we go to school, or if you're not out yet, or you don't feel comfortable doing it in a school, you can do it anywhere that you feel comfortable. You can come into our offices. We've got a youth space there.
Oh, brilliant.
So that's how you can get referred. Anyone can refer anyone, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's funny. Just as I said that, Dylan, questions have popped up here. How do you get onto it, and do you have a website with the questions?
Okay, yeah. So our website needs to be updated. So the best way to find out about us is probably through Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah.
I need to. Do I tell you the things, the Instagram things, and then you can post it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I need to remember the way.
I'll tell you what.
Let me go play the phone. 1 sec. So yeah, that's the way. 1 sec. Is that it?
Yeah, we need to know. We need to get this information out.
So to go on our Instagram, it's Viva LGBT and then the word plus.
Ah, okay. Viva LGBT and the word plus, and that's how you find Viva on Instagram. Facebook and same thing is the same, Twitter and stuff, or?
No. So it's annoying. Some of Facebook is slightly different name. So I think Facebook is Viva LGBT and just the sign plus.
The sign plus. So Viva LGBT and the sign plus on Facebook. Viva LGBT and the word plus for Instagram. And that's how you can get in contact with this amazing service. Brilliant.
Oh, sorry, what?
I said, and that's how we can get in contact with your amazing service.
Yes.
Oh, spot on. Fantastic. Well, another thing that we do when we have guest organisations on is you deliver a little activity for us. And I understand you've got a little quiz for us today, Dylan.
Yeah, I do. Just before that, can I just mention quickly as well? We just in case, we do have also a supported accommodation just for LGBT people in Denbighshire.
Oh, fantastic!
So that's in Denbighshire as well, just so people know if anyone.
Absolutely. I'll tell you what we'll do. Yeah. Why don't we have the little quiz, and then at the end we've got a few people connected in. If they can think of questions for us at the end, we'll do a little bit of a refresh at the end.
Perfect.
Sounds good. Absolutely. Let's do this.
Okay, so I've got 12 questions. Okay, question 1. How many young people aged 16 to 24 identify as LGBTQ+ in the UK?
Oh, okay.
I've got some. Do you want multiple options, or do you want to just go for it and guess?
Yeah, multiple options, please, Dylan.
Okay, so 3 options then: 5.2%, 10.2%, or 15.2%.
Right, I'm going to throw it out to the guys on the chat here. How many young people identify as LGBTQ+ in the UK? And the 3 options were 5.2%, 10.2%, and 15.2%.
Yeah.
Oof, that's a memory. Our first answers have come in. We've got Sarah saying 5.2, Charlotte saying 10.2, and I'm going to say 15.2. So we've spread our bets here.
Okay, so everyone has gone for everything. So the correct answer there is 5.2%.
Oh, well done, Sarah. She's on the money here, Sarah.
So if you think about a school that might have 1,000 students, 52 of them students are going to identify as LGBTQ+.
I wish I'd have done the maths quicker in my head then, though. I didn't think about that. But this is why we do these sessions, is to educate ourselves, right?
Yeah, true. Ready for question 2?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so what is the average age people come out in the UK? So the 3 options are 15, 21, 32.
Right, I'm going to throw my guess straight in there. 21. Let's see what other people are saying on here. Come on, Sarah, you've already gained 1 point. It's the first point you've ever had in these quizzes. Gaz 21, Charlotte says 15, Sarah 21. So as a youth service, we're going to say 21, Dylan. How are we looking?
Okay. It's actually 15.
Oh!
Sorry.
That's okay. We're all terrible at our jobs, obviously. This is why we have Viva in Denbighshire.
Question 3 then.
Yeah.
What percentage of lesbian, gay, and bisexual pupils have experienced bullying in school? So your options are 43%, 63%, or 54%.
Right. Did you get those options, guys? Give us your guesses on here. I'm gonna go. Was one option 54%?
Yeah. So you had 54, 63, or 43.
I'm gonna say 54, and Gaz is saying 54, and Charlotte is saying 63. But so far, the majority is going 54, and the answer is
54.
Hey! The reason I know this is because our Denbighshire Youth Council did a piece of work recently on LGBT stuff. I'll have to send it through to you, and that was one of the numbers that we highlighted in it. So, whew.
I did that video. Yeah, I think I saw it.
Oh, did you? The little animation and the. There you go.
The animation video.
Yeah. You're welcome to share that around. It was a great piece of work done by a brilliant group of young people in Denbighshire.
So that was that in collaboration with young people then?
Yeah, they designed the whole thing. They scripted it. They filmed it. They animated it. They put it in fantastic. Anyway, we'll discuss that off camera.
Sorry. So question 4 then. So it's similar, but what percentage of transgender pupils have experienced bullying in school?
Okay.
So the options are 81%,
81,
73, and
73.
52%.
Okay, guys, come on, help me out here because I'm going to struggle with this one now. The options again were 81,
73,
and 52. Right, Gaz is going 73. Sarah's saying 83, but I think she means 73. I think we're going 73 here, Dol.
What, sorry?
We're going 73 here.
Yes, well done. It is 73%.
Oh, I mean, I shouldn't be cheering now. That's terrible, but I'm cheering now. We've had.
I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm celebrating the fact that people are getting it correct, but actually, if you think about it, 3/4 of trans students are bullied in schools.
Yeah,
that's massive.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, should we go to question 5?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah, fire away.
Sorry, yeah. So being gay, lesbian, or bisexual is a crime in how many countries in the world?
Oh, it's a good question.
I'm going to give you 3 options again. So you've got 33 countries, 62 countries, or 74 countries.
33, 52, or 74. Gaz is saying 33.
Okay.
Who else do we have? Come on, Sarah, Charlotte, you've not been shy so far. Let's get a response. Okay, so we're spreading the board here. Gaz is saying 33, Sarah's saying 62, and Charlotte is saying 52. So I will give the casting votes and go 33.
Oh, okay, so actually it's 74 countries.
Oh, what blooming hell. Crikey.
So it's 74 countries, but actually it's punishable by death in 13 of those countries.
I know, it's shocking. Come to think of it, I did know that. I've attended some training recently, and I remember being shocked at that number. I think Jamaica was one of them. There's a few countries on there that you'd be really surprised, isn't there? You think of them. You think of them as more westernized, and it's quite shocking when you hear that.
I know. It kind of brings it back to reality. It's like not everyone's rights is just still up to standard, I guess.
Absolutely. Oh, crikey. Oh, you've given us I hope this next question has a happy ending.
Sorry, this question is a bit more uplifting, okay? So,
there we go.
When did same-sex marriage become legal in the UK?
Oh, when did same-sex marriage become legal in the UK? Are we getting options?
Yeah. So you've got 2009, 2013, 2017.
2009, 2013, 2017. What do we think, guys? What do we think? I wish. Let's have a look on this. Oh, hold on. Whoop. Right, we're going 2013.
Yes, well done. So 2013, that became legal, and then the first marriage was in March 2014.
Fantastic. Brilliant stuff. Oh, hold on.
So, you okay?
No, fine. Yeah, sorry. I'm having technical issues on my side. By the piney. All good. Carry on.
Okay. Okay, cool. So, the next few questions now is a bit more. I realised that some of them questions was a bit hard to think, but
no.
So the next question is
important issues, though.
Yeah, it's about terminology now, so just learning a bit about terminology.
Okay.
Can you hear me still? Yeah.
Absolutely clear.
Okay, cool. So this question then. This is a process of explore. Oh wait, let me explain. So I'm gonna give you a definition, and then I'm gonna give you a few options of the terminology, so you can guess which one it is.
Okay, cool. Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, cool. So this is a process of exploring your own sexual orientation and or gender identity. So 3 options: questioning, transitioning, or gay.
Okay. Wait, in fact, I'll wait for the guys on here to put their things through. So this is a process of, too late, they've already answered, questioning.
So this is a process of exploring your own sexual orientation and or gender identity.
Yeah, I didn't even get to finish repeating the question. We've already had answers. Questioning.
Yes, well done. So, so questioning is when you're exploring your own identity. Well done.
Cool.
So, next one. So, the physical sex characteristics you're born with and that develop, including genitals, chromosomes, hormones, and etc. So, your 3 options are gender identity, biological sex, or sexuality.
Oh, can you just repeat the first section, though?
Does the question?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. So the definition is the physical sex characteristics you're born with and that develop, including genitals, chromosomes, hormones, etc.
Right.
And then your options for this definition is gender identity, biological sex, or sexuality. We've
got answers coming through from all biological sex.
Are they all biological sex?
Looks like it.
Yes, well done, folks. So, biological sex, yes, great.
So, going back to your questioning, I'm assuming is that like a lot of young people that access your service, are they kind of at those stages in the beginning when they first come to your services, or do you find that young people are accessing at varying points of their journey?
We will have a lot of young people that are questioning or exploring their identity that accesses our services. I only heard a few words from your question, sorry.
Oh, sorry. I'll repeat it.
Yeah.
I was just asking, well, I guess you've kind of answered it, to be honest with you, Dalla. It was just about whether what stages young people enter or access your project, but presumably it could be any time, can't it?
But yeah, like that, it could be at any age or any way of any place of your journey. So like it could be like at the beginning where you're trying to understand yourself, or it could be like when you this is who I am. But now that I understand who I am, I want to be able to be in a group
community
with other people that to me.
Yeah, brilliant service that you've got there, guys. Really top marks. And we're so lucky. Those of you who are watching, young people who are watching, we're so lucky to have this service operating and based in Denbighshire. Definitely take advantage. Right, sorry, I've taken over there. Question number. Where are we?
I just don't know. I think I've got 3 questions left.
Okay, fire away.
Okay, so an umbrella. The definition is right. An umbrella term for people whose gender identity doesn't fit comfortably with man or woman. So your options are non-binary, trans, gay.
Okay, come on, guys. What do we think about this one? This is as it happens, I have an inside track on this one, so I'm happy with this question. Let's have a look. Boy skin on me. What do we have? Sarah and Charlotte are saying non-binary, and I will agree with them. Non-binary.
Yes. Yeah, well done, folks. So that answers non-binary.
Cool, excellent. Oh, we're not doing too bad here as a service, are we?
No, I think you're doing well. Especially with the terminology as well. Okay, 2 questions left. Okay.
Yeah, fire away.
Okay. A person who's experienced a sexual or romantic attraction is not dependent on the gender or sex of others.
Ooh. A person who has experienced
of sexual or romantic attraction is not dependent on the gender or sex of others. And then the 3 options are bisexual, asexual, pansexual.
Oh, okay. Guys, what do we think? I've got my thoughts on this one.
I feel like I've given you a tricky question, yeah?
Yeah, we like a tricky question. We hope Well, if any young people that are watching this post the live session, because I appreciate that most of you are enjoying this lovely weather at the moment, you can play along with this quiz just the same. I think we're going to go with, when we're getting nothing from these guys here, I think they're chickened out on this one. No, we've got an answer. And it's the same answer that I was going to go with. Pansexual.
Yes, well done. So this answer is pansexual. Oh, sorry, I've just got something through the letterbox that scared me. Where were we?
Hey, I've had the ears all. I've had somebody knocking on the door in the middle of one of these, like, whoa! I know. Yeah, scary, isn't it? Working from home, everybody. We're working from home.
I know. Oh God. Okay. Do you want me to go to the next question?
Yeah. Is this is the last question? Is it?
Last question. Yeah.
Right. Here we go. This is the one.
Okay. So, calling someone by a previous name after they have changed their name. So the three options are dead naming, HBC phobia, or gender identity.
Oh, I also think I know this one, but I'm going to leave it to the guys on the chat. Sarah and Charlotte, you've been amazing so far. Let's see what else you've got here. So calling somebody their old name, is it?
Yeah, so calling someone by a previous name,
name.
Like the first name, after they have changed their name.
You know, we've got a great group of youth workers on board with this today. Dead naming is the option we're going with.
Yeah, well done. So that is dead naming. So I'll just explain a little bit more. So dead naming is when someone is purposefully still calling someone by their birth name just to make and not trying to change their ways.
Yeah, do you come across that a lot with that section?
We do, yeah. We do come across people that might be stuck in their ways, that might not be willing to call someone by their third name, and obviously that is really hurtful to someone that is non-binary or trans, and it happens quite a lot, and it's something that we're working on with families and professionals and young people as well.
I guess it's quite challenging and it's quite an ignorant thing to be doing, but quite challenging adaptation perhaps for some people to make. So there's got to be a bit of understanding both ways, I guess, on people having to how can I explain it? Get their heads around it, I guess, you know.
Yeah, that's a fair point. So in terms of if you do make a mistake about someone's name or pronouns, then that's okay, as long as you apologise and you kind of just move on.
Absolutely. Absolutely, and yeah, absolutely. Yeah, cool. Well, that quiz was brilliant and really, really informative. So I hope any young people who are watching this who have any questions afterwards, you can message us directly here at the Youth Service or get in contact with Dolan directly. If there are any questions now following this session, any more information, same applies. Please contact either myself or Dolan directly through here and through our various ways or through the points that Dolan's mentioned. And we can pick those questions up with you post-session. Mae'r sound chydig bach yn off ar y funud, dydi? Yeah, sorry, mate, sorry. I tell you what, we will leave it there, Dylan. Thank you ever so much for coming on and promoting your amazing service for young people in Denbighshire. We will follow up with any of the questions that come beyond this. I'll get them forwarded on to you, though.
Oh yeah, okay, thank you. That's great.
Brilliant. Once again, diolch yn fawr am ddod on.
Yeah, diolch yn fawr iawn. Bye, everyone.
Cool. Thank you very much. Right, guys. We are going to leave it there for this evening, and we will be back on Tuesday. Hope you enjoy the rest of this lovely weather, and I will be back, and I will see you then. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. Bye.